Alright, so here I have a 2001 Seadoo RXDI, which we did the total restoration on. And as you can see, everything came out pretty darn nice. Everything's all here, all working. Steering, reverse, everything all working properly. Speedometer, all working. All gauges working. Engine has about, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours on it max. All clean and pretty inside. You can do a startup for fun, cold start. Oop. That's total cold start. Hasn't run, and I did a pre-start on it about a week ago after I put the battery in, but hasn't been started since. So amazing engine, runs like a dream. Storage up front with a sponge and some suntan lotion. Another storage compartment up here. Computers in there. Half a tank of fuel. All tested, everything runs great. Tilt works with their trim. The reverse control is here on the side. That works. I'll show you that working. Here. Trim. Trim. And that's about it. Seat back on. So, got a little bit of wear, you know, a few little marks here and there, but pretty awesome shape. It really buffed up really nice. So that's it. She's up for sale. And I'll put the price in at the end of the video. I don't think there's much more you can see. A few little trailer scuffs, but nothing serious. But it's like the fastest machine around here by about half a mile an hour. So there it is. Good luck. Thanks.